How to housewipe in your Snapchat. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can turn on your peak mode in your Snapchat. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Snapchat application. So now once you are in here you have to click on your profile icon that is in the top left corner. And from here you have to simply go on the premium of the Snapchat. So now once you are in, now this is basically the Snapchat plus, and if you scroll down, as you can see that right here in the bottom there is the option of the Pika Peak. Now you just have to buy the premium of your Snapchat, and after that you are also able to get a turn on your Pika Peak mode in your Snapchat. So you just have to buy the Snapchat premium and you are able to get all of these options in your Snapchat. So that's how you can get a peak mode or your house swipe in your Snapchat. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.